In today's video, I'll show you how you can switch to headphones mode in FxSound. So let's get started. So first thing that you'd want to do is that you want to make sure that you have selected the headphone here on the output device. Same goes into your Windows sound setting right here. And now you can now go for the values. So you can go for the presets in here. And note that there is no headphones mode feature here in FxSound directly. However, you can choose a preset and suit it or make it appropriate for headphones. So let's say that you're using your headphones for gaming. We can go into gaming preset. And from here, since you are using a headphone, you would want to be mindful of the EQ. So if your headphones sound too bass heavy, you want to lower the low frequency sliders a bit. So let's say that I would want to lower this part by just 1, and maybe this one also, and also this one, just like that. And then you can test it out if it sounds better. And if your headphone feels dull, then you can add a small boost in the high frequencies for clarity. So let's say that I would want to boost this one by 1 and also this one. And now you can test it out. So you can just play with this. But as for my taste is that I actually already like the presets in here in FxSound with their EQ. I don't touch them anymore. I just go here into the effects setting. So I just shown you or demonstrated this so that you also know that you could also tweak this if you do want, and also the frequency slider in here. But I just go here, especially if you're a beginner, you just want to navigate here and just let this all be and leave all the complicated stuff behind. Because with this one, it's already pretty enough. So in here, I just go into bass boost and make sure that you consider the size of your headphones. So if it's small, then you need to lower your bass boost a bit right here. Or you could actually go upward if it's big and you'd be able to feel the bass. And you could also go for the volume boost right here. So if it's sounding distorted, then you could lower this because it might be too high. We also have the ambience and surround. So you want to use this lightly because too much can make headphones sound artificial. And as you can see, I have set that at 0 because I don't actually like it. And then we have the clarity, so you can add a touch if vocals or instruments feel muffled. So that's it on how you can set your FxSound with headphones mode. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.